Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So to get started, let's open up the standalone contacts application, which I do need to first find. There we go. From here, tap on the three bars and navigate to settings. Somewhere at the bottom you will find import option. Select allow, and here just select where you want to import your contacts from. So for me, my contacts are located on a SIM card, so I'm going to select use SIM. Next, where do I want to import my contacts to? I have only option for phone, but if you are logged into your Google account as an example, this will show up here as well, and you can select that instead if you want to. But I have only one option, and that's what I want to select anyway. Now this will then show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. So from here, you can select contacts that you want to import. Now you do need to unfortunately manually select all of them, as you can see. But from there, once you have all your contacts selected that you want, oh, nope, never mind. We can actually select all of them by tapping right here. So there we go. So anyway, once you have all the contacts that you want selected, click on OK, and this will automatically import those contacts. So when you go back right now, you should be able to see them right over here. Now, I do have right now all the contacts duplicated because they are on the SIM card and on the phone right now, and it's displaying both of the contacts, so the SIM and the phone. But if I were to pop out my SIM card, half of those contacts would disappear. And there is also a way to show only one of them. So as you can see, tap on the three bars and then select phone or SIM, which will only display one of them. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.